A very good morning. I'll be presenting case of Post and Core. General information. Patient name Latifa Imran Bhai. OPD number 210710069. Age 11. Sex female. Address Sihor. Birthplace Sihor. Date of birth 6/2007. Father's name Imran Bhai. Father's occupation businessman. Religion Muslim. Chief complaint. Patient complain of pain in lower right back teeth region since 5 to 8 days. History of present illness. Dull throbbing intermittent pain occur in lower right back teeth region past 5 to 8 days. Medical history is not significant. Dental history. First dental visit. Habits, no habits. Family history is not significant. Personal oral hygiene. Brushing habit. Self brushing with soft toothbrush. Horizontal brushing technique once a day. Pre and postnatal history is not significant. Diet history. Patient consumes more of carbohydrate food, 30 grams sugar every day. Clinical examination. Build is normal. Weight is 4 feet 7 inch. Height. Weight is 25 kg. Body type is mesomorph. Extraoral examination. Shape of head is mesocephalic. Facial profile is straight. Facial form is mesoprosophic. Facial symmetry, no abnormality detected. Lip posture is competent. TMJ, no abnormality detected. Lymph node is non-tender or palpable. Intraoral examination, soft tissue, no abnormality detected. Hard tissue, dentition type is mixed dentition. Present teeth are 11, 12, 13, 14, 55 and 16, 21, 22, 24, 65 and 26, 31, 32, 33, 74, 75, 36, 41, 42, 33, 84, 45 and 46. Dental age 10 to 11 years. Grossly decayed 46, 75 and 16 and caries present with 65 and 54. Orthodontic examination, maxillary arch is U-shaped and mandibular arch is also U-shaped. Class angles class 1 molar relation. Overbite 2 mm, overjet 1 to 2 mm. Canine relation is class 1. OHIS index is 0.66, that is good oral hygiene index. DMFS is 12. Provisional diagnosis 6 necrotic pulp with 6,4 and 6,5 and irreversible pulpitis with respect to 16, 7,5 and 4,6. Investigation IOPA of 8,5 shows radiolucency involving enamel dentine and close to pulp, suggestive of irreversible pulpitis. Final diagnosis chronic irreversible pulpitis with respect to 6,5 and 6,4 and chronic irreversible pulpitis with respect to 4,6. Treatment plan oral prophylaxis of upper and lower arch, fluoride application of upper and lower arch, root canal treatment with respect to 16 and 46 and followed by post and core with respect to 46, restoration with respect to 6,5 and 6,4 and follow up after 15 days. Treatment done in the first visit, oral prophylaxis followed by fluoride application and APF gel done. Access opening done with forceps under local anesthesia by giving inferior alveolar nerve block and lingual nerve block. In second visit, biomechanical preparation was done with forceps. In third visit, obturation done with respect to forceps and temporary restoration done. In fourth visit, fiber post placement done with GIC and core build-up with composite. Discussion. According to Lonzetti, CC, this study demonstrates that there is that in the root canal, the chemically activated glass ionomer cement has similar bonding strength to a self-adhesive resin cement, regardless of the radicular third evaluated. These systems presented higher bonding strength values than found in the cementation system employing conventional resin cement. Notably, this difference in bonding strength occurs despite the significantly lower dentine penetrability of the activated glass ionomer cement and self-adhesive resin cement. compared to conventional resin cement. According to Shabana Moin, zirconia post shows greater resistance than the carbon post and Everstick post. According to Karner O, the lowest fracture resistance was recorded for Group 1, but among all post cement systems, Group 4 had lowest fracture resistance. The fracture made the fiber post, radix and ITF post would permit repair of the tooth. According to OKE, fiber post core system, which is an alternative to cast post core system, increase the fracture resistance of the canines with root canal treatment, while irreparable uh, castophoric fractures might be seen in cast post core system. Separation between composite resin core and root interfaces might be seen in teeth restored with fiber post core system. Take no car according to the results, since cast post induce lower stress in dentine, they are recommended for clinical use. Fiber reinforced post and ACRs cause the maximum stress in dentine. According to Al-Sharani AS, the use of same dual core composite core material for fiber post luting and core buildup would simplify the clinical procedure without enhancement of the fracture resistance of endodontically treated tooth. Thank you.